In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Wrike. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Wrike is a fantastic tool for project management, and creating folders can help keep your tasks organized. So let's dive into how you can easily create a folder to streamline your work. First, start by heading over to the Wrike homepage. Here, you'll need to log into your workspace. If you prefer, you can log in securely using your Google account, which makes the process even faster. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in your workspace, ready to start organizing. Next, it's time to navigate to the specific project where you want to add your new folder. Look for the project you have in mind. This could be one you're currently working on or a new endeavor you've just initiated. Simply click on that project to enter its dashboard. Once you're inside your project, keep an eye on the top right corner of the dashboard. You should spot an icon that looks like 3 dots. This is the Options menu. Give that a click. This menu contains several options, so keep an eye out. Now, in that Options menu, you'll see a selection labeled Add Item. Go ahead and click on that. This step is crucial as it opens up the opportunity to add various types of items to your project. What you want to select here is the Folder option. Clicking on that will designate the type of element you're introducing to your project. A folder will allow you to group related tasks and documents together, making it easier to manage your work. Now comes the fun part. You'll need to name your folder. This part is important because you'll want to create a title that is clear and descriptive. Think about what you'll be organizing in this folder and choose a name that will make sense later on. This way, when you and your team are searching for it, it will be easy to find. After you've entered a suitable name for your folder, look for the Create button. Click it, and just like that, your new folder will immediately appear within your project. It's ready to be filled with tasks and documents that are relevant to your project. And that's it. You now know how to create a folder in Wrike. This simple yet effective step can significantly enhance your project organization. If you have multiple projects, you can replicate this process for each one to keep everything streamlined. Remember, organizing your workspace can save you and your team a lot of time in the long run. If you found this tutorial helpful for your Wrike journey, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!